Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and actually it is a good afternoon with the Dow down 650 points and the VIX going through the roof. Why? Because you're a member here at Topkin Options. You are printing money as this market implodes. And tomorrow at 10 a.m., you're going to learn how to print even more money by attending a free brief that is at 10 a.m. Eastern. It's called Tomcat Charts with Bart. Head to go.topkinoptions.com/Tomcat. Go.topkinoptions.com/Tomcat. Folks, you wouldn't believe where Bart thinks the market is heading next. Probably agrees with me, and I probably agree with Bart to the tune of, look at this, month to date, folks. What is February 17th? Just this month, and especially in the past week or so, up about $23,000 trading the S&P 500. We looked at a bear call spread on the S&P 500 the other day that made $5,300. Folks, I have a bear put spread on. This was a trade. If you attended our free full throttle training a week, 2 weeks ago, I covered this trade, hedge, tredge. It's up 82%, 90, 100. Whoa, there. Look at the S&P imploding as I'm talking to you. This is up essentially 10 grand, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this trade. This trade risks 5 grand to potentially make 20. I think it could make 20 as the market's going to implode here, as Joe Biden more or less goaded Putin into invading Ukraine. There's artillery fire in eastern Ukraine. It's coming, folks. And we also have a bear call spread on Amazon. Look at this. I covered this morning, folks. This morning, right here at 9:59, just before, what's that, 41 seconds before I got onto our live trade brief. If you logged in early, you saw me place this trade. I did a bear call spread on Amazon, the 32.10, 32.15. How's that doing right now? The 32.10, 32.15 is up 89%, 2 grand in 5 hours, 6 hours. I also tried to place a VXX, a volatility bull put spread. Tried to get filled at 24 cents. It's ran away from me because volatility has started to spike as I place this trade. It's at 8 cents right now, right? 8 cents. 24 minus 8 is what? 16? 16 times 200 contracts. 16 times 200 equals $1,200. Actually, let's take a look at this. What are the metrics of this trade? If you got filled on this trade, there's a 75% probability you're making $4,800 by tomorrow. Look at the S&P 500 as I'm talking to you, and Amazon. Look at Amazon just falling off a cliff. I've been nailing this. I'm having a blast. If you're looking at this market and you're not having a blast, look at that. There goes the S&P. Done. Get ready for the invasion, folks. Man, this is just a blast. What else do I have to talk about? Well, everything else. But, folks, I'm telling you, man, if you haven't, look at this. Let's roll inverted real quick. That's the S&P 500. Let's roll our jet inverted. Does this look like a bullish chart? Look at this. Rip your face off rally. It filled half the gap, bounced twice, and went up. That is an incredibly bullish chart right there. Wait, hold on. You're upside down. Exactly. So let's roll inverted. An incredibly bullish chart upside down or right side up right now is bearish. Folks, stop emailing me. When's the market going to bottom? It's not. I'm the guy who told you sophomore year of Joe Biden's presidency will be a train wreck, a bear market, and a recession. I'm right, and it's going to get worse. There ain't no better on the horizon, folks. Raging inflation and a Fed that sucks. Jerome Powell is failing in his job. He created the fire, and he's still pumping gasoline into the fire. You're burning to death in inflation, folks. Average Americans are, well, we don't want to spook the stock market. Oh, so darn, the evil 1% loses some of their money in the stock market. How about the people that are losing money every month getting burned by inflation? Let's go, Brandon. Anyway, man, other than that, Ms. Lincoln, how was the play? Stocks, oil fall as Russia said to continue its troop buildup. Joe Biden and his administration clearly are the gang that can't shoot straight. What was it, 2 days ago? Stocks rally on troops pulling back from Ukraine. Russia's like, what are you people, stupid? We're adding troops. Oh. So Biden, there's war, there's war, there's war. Pelosi, there's war, there's war, there's war. Zelensky and Putin are like, hey, why don't you guys just shut up? You guys are making this situation worse. We're talking. And then we're declaring victory. Our threat of sanctions has worked. They're retreating. And Russia's like, retreating? Are you high? We're actually adding more troops now. Just got well, I won't show you, but a guy I trust with my life posted something in our Max Afterburner group, which is members only, that said, I just got a text from a man who I trust with my life, so I'm going to leave it at that because this dude's a military. So when I usually get those type of texts, I believe them. And there goes the S&P 500, even lower. I love it. S&P down 2%. Guys, if you are betting on this market to go up anytime soon, you're going to get destroyed. Shift your strategic mindset, folks. We are going lower. Man, even as I'm talking to you, that SPX bear put spread's making more money. Wow. Unbelievable. Oh, it's hovering 88%. 90. We might break 10 grand during this brief. So bear call spread on Amazon is up $2,100 since this morning. In my personal account, I have a bear call spread on Amazon that is up 8. Look at this. I'm going to make 2 Amazon trades this week. That's in my personal account for $2,100 this week, and then this one is $4,200 in profitable Amazon trades this week. We're up. This portfolio is up 8 grand alone today, folks. This is a $100,000 model portfolio, ladies and gentlemen. This ain't rocket surgery, man. This is pretty damn good. How are we doing year to date? Yeah, man. All right, real quick. What else is going on? Oh, and this was funny because you look at the chart of Amazon at the beginning of the day. Amazon and Visa resolved months-long credit card dispute, and then it sold off. Take a look at the chart of Amazon today. Let me back out a little bit. Whoa, not that way, this way. Look at this. Amazon, gap up, sell off. Gap up. Right here, I sold the bear call spread. And implosion. This is like shooting fish in a barrel, man. I'm having an absolute blast doing this. I love when Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan catch up to what what Top Gun Options has been saying for months. I love when these guys show up to validate everything that I've been telling you. Crypto ruined my life. The mental health crisis hitting Bitcoin investors. Come on, man. There's a sucker born every minute. This is a very, very sad article. People talked about potentially committing suicide. My God, man. Please sign up with Top Gun Options. Do not trade alone, man. This is insane. My full throttle brief last week was what? Half of it now is talking about, man, the middle of the day. What did I do today? Halfway through the day, after I got done my live trade brief this morning that we covered, what, 6 grand in profitable trades? I went to yoga. Dude, I am not sitting here staring at this market tick by tick. I already know what's going to happen. My strategic mindset is solid. God, you want to kill yourself because you're losing money on Bitcoin or crypto? Come on, man. Was that Joe Biden? Learn how to trade options. Learn how to buy puts. Learn how to get long volatility. Guys, you are insane if you're not here at Top Gun Options. And that's not being salesy. That's telling the truth. It's sad because people flock to Top Gun Options when the shit hits the fan. The COVID crash right now. And the feces hasn't even left Joe towards the fan yet. This hasn't even started, guys. So please join up with us, me, Bart, Goose. We got 3 instructor pilots here now, man. It's taken me a couple of years to find the right people. I don't trust anybody on Wall Street. I've been there. Most of them are criminals, man. They're just awful people. They have good souls, but they're buried. Not me, man. I want to focus on saving lives with our No Fallen Heroes project. I want to focus on putting the ladder down to help you learn how to trade, man. And first of all, you can't make money if you're losing money. So I'd like to teach you how to hedge, how to dredge, and then profit, right? That's a blinding piece of brilliance, isn't it? You can't make money if you're losing money, but a lot of people don't focus on that. They just I want to make money. No. Let's talk about capital preservation first. All right, I got to go. I got a ton of stuff going on. We have a full throttle live training session tonight, which is session number 4. And then I have a red team murder board with Bart to the final run through of his presentation for tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Eastern. Go.topgunoptions.com/Tomcat, and I will see you tomorrow morning with Bart at 10 a.m. Fights on.